Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm cleaning. I just got done sweeping. Got a Christmas movie playing over there. So been playing those the last couple of days. So that's been nice. I just ate me ham and cheese salad sandwich for lunch. That's about all I've had today. So need to put some chapstick on. My lips are dry. Got my just put in the doing our bed stuff. So I just got that all put in too. And so far that's what I'm doing. Now I need to decide what I want to do for dinner. Get that laid out. Hung up some more Christmas lights here, as you guys see. and take it from there and see what happens. And yeah, that's about it. And I don't know what to do for dinner. I will do something low carb, of course. Of course. Because I just had 2 pieces of bread. Or maybe 4. I don't know. So anyways, yes, that's what we're doing. So the bed stuff's long overdue. Now I got it all swept. Now I'm about ready to get the mop out and take them up and time them up. Got our spinny thing ready to go. It is cloudy today again. Day number 2. We didn't see no sun yesterday either. But, oh well, it is what it is. So, we're going to mop. I took the rug out on the porch, cleaned it off. It's out there until I get done mopping. Yes, it is. Yeah. Okay. I just got a few dishes to do. Not very much at all. So that won't take long. And then I need to figure out something for dinner. I still haven't figured nothing out. What I'm going to do for dinner. This is clean, I swear. It's just I had barbecue sauce in it and it got stained. But I'll keep it for a tad bit longer. Ain't gonna hurt nothing. It rained overnight too, so lots of rain, lots of rain. Lots of rain. Oh, this is a Pioneer woman. My friend got it for me. My best friend got it for me last year for Christmas. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna wash up a few dishes here. I am. Watch out. Got the mopping done. Got my last load in for my bedding, so gotta be all good and nice and clean. Love getting into a bed at night with a nice smell and clean. I need to find some fabric spray. That way I can do that every night. Spray it. It makes you go to sleep. So cozy. I got a lot of dishes, but I like to keep them done up. You know what I mean? Just makes it a lot simpler. You know? Better to go coffee dip. Just keeps your coffee nice and hot. This cup does. A lot of them people. I don't know. But it does. Okay, got that done. Here's the final look of my windowsill. Got those 2 for my sister. So I think they go cute there together, don't you? I think they do. And the nose, very cute. Wow, darn done already. I didn't think it'd be done that fast. Maybe it's been going a little bit longer. But anyways, I thought that looked very cute. And that's how I'm going to leave it. Hey, you guys. It's looking all nice and clean, huh? Got a bunch of gifts wrapped already. I do. So, got more to do, though. I do. It's looking good, looking good. 3rd bottle of water today. I'm having me a Coke. Yes, I am. Having me a Coca-Cola. I got some cans left, so 3 bottles of water. I think that's good. Fridge is kind of cleaned out. Freezer's still nice and full. I don't think we need to buy any groceries this week. bring something for dinner, so I think I'll make this Southern style seasoned chicken. Not had it in a while. Sounds good to me. What about you all? Oh, excuse me. We had this chicken in a while. It's good low carb too. Only $9.44. Not bad. Hope it thaws out for me. I hope. No. Microwave it will go. I still want to get some backsplash. I think after Christmas we're going to work on it and new outlet covers. Yep. Make it look a whole lot better, I think. Even though I'm happy with my place, but you know. We need new doors. New carpet in the bedrooms. And backsplash up. But other than that, it's looking good. I hung up here. Then come down to the side. Nighttime. You don't even need a light on in here. It's very festive up in here. With all the lights hanging up. These are only $5 for 200 lights. That ain't bad. Oh, we're going to make some chicken. Buffalo dip. We are. So you need cream cheese, a can of chicken, and then we put some cheese in it of your choice, some ranch, and of course, you got to use Frank's hot sauce. One time we made it and we used different hot sauce and it did not taste the same, let me tell you that. At all. At least I didn't think it did. Still ain't got my chicken on yet, but almost unthawed. Someone told me you don't lay meat out all day to let it unthaw. How old am I? How old are you? I've been doing it for years. Years. What's it hurt? It's frozen. But anyways, silly people. Alright. Have to give this a good stir. Let her get melted. Very simple, easy recipe. Very simple, easy. And I'll show you guys that when we get done and start eating on it. I'll chop the chicken up in that though a little bit. This stuff is so good. Here it is. Looks good. It smells good too. Tastes amazing. Always a fan favorite around here. Everybody loves this. Good for a lot of parties. Make some dip. Yep. Tastes good.